Alrighty, you guys, so here it is. I got it done. Turn it around for you guys. Adjust the brightness. Pow. Fucking sunny out here in Fresno. Alright, so we're back here at the pad. Zena, she went to get something to eat, so she ain't here. But let me show you around. So aquí tenemos la mamalona. There's a fucking hit right there. As you can see. Yeah, it's not a good. You can open the door and everything. The window kind of messed up, so I'm fixing the window. Yeah, so the window regulator kind of got screwed up. Y aquí tenemos a la negra. Al rumbo donde íbamos. So, here's a fucking door. Let me first that. Here's the door. I kind of started working on it in the morning, so you can see. Been scuffing it up. Oh, talking about Zena. CRX does wonders a lot. So this is Zena. Look at this girl.
What?
¿Dónde fuiste? Did you bring me one? You didn't even bother to ask if I wanted one, huh?
I told you I'm gonna come back.
Yeah, right. Don't bother, man. See? No fucks are given. But yeah. So, esta es la mamalona. Yeah, so we're working on her getting the door done. Took me a while to look for this door. And by the way, there's another CRX. Still going. But like I said, we're working on this. I'm working on this door. I worked on in the morning. I mean, I started in the morning. I still have to paint this door. I spent around probably like 500 roughly for the door. It did include with the window. The window was included, which is I have to tint it or swap it with that other one over there. The door that I got it at was in Fresno at a wrecking yard for trucks. It is called Dismantling Trucking, I believe, and it's located in Fresno. If anybody is in the area, you guys looking for parts for trucks, it's the best place to go to look for a part that you need. They're really good people. The owner helped me, him directly, so like I said, they're really good people to work with. They'll help you with anything possible that they can. But yes, this is a project as we're speaking right now for the truck. I do have these that I forgot to mention. I got them 3 days ago. I'm gonna wait until I drop the truck down. Okay, so this thing keeps cutting. The video keeps cutting off on me. Anyways, I was gonna show you guys these. I got them 3 days ago. They're the GMC Sierra replica wheels, the Velocity wheels, I believe. I got them 24 inches wheels. So, let me raise the camera up. Hold on. There you go. Oh, okay, there you go. Sorry about that. Um, yeah, these wheels are the Sierra um, lookalike wheels. They're about 24 inches wheels. I'm running. Let's see, where's it at? I'm running 295s by 30s, 24s. The back, and I end up going a little thicker. Gotta get that meat on it, you know. But yeah, these are the wheels that I end up getting for the truck. I'm still looking to order the lowering kit. Slap these babies on. I'm also gonna get a mid pipe side exit for it. So there's still a few things that I ordered. They still haven't arrived. But sooner or later I'm gonna end up doing another blog about it. I am gonna do another blog about getting the door installed. I am gonna change the sound system on it that it has, the radio unit. I am gonna put videos of that about that too. I am gonna do a video about when I get it lowered. Hopefully my boy, well he's our neighbor, but hopefully he lets us use his shop so I can record that as we doing it. There's still a few things. I'm a dyno, no, not the dyno, the rhino coating on the back of the bed for it. I'm gonna do a vlog about that too. I'm gonna leave the fun part at the end, the performance parts. I am gonna put long tube headers on it. I'm gonna cam it. This is a whole process, but everything that I'm doing is gonna get blogged. The truck is gonna get published out there. So for anybody who's working on the truck, if you guys have any questions or anything, you can ask me, whatever. I'm new on this kart scene stuff. I race Hondas a lot. I did a lot of things like that. So, and I'm doing a lot of autocrossing too. But just hit me up. Any questions you guys have. I did have to go to do my search if I was able to run these type of wheels, because I am gonna drop a 5.7 drop. Supposedly they say that you should be fine. That's like the lowest you can go on the truck. Anything like that, you have to get a C notch. You have to do a bunch of more modifications for it. But all that is gonna get cleared. All that is gonna get processed and getting taken care of done. So in the meanwhile, stay tuned. Alright, so I end up using, where's it at? The paint that I bought. So here it is. See? Yeah, I kind of streaked it a little bit, but it's just something to prove the point of the color. Here's the truck. So we're in the sun. I don't know if you can tell the difference, but Apparently the one in the can is whiter. It has a little darker tone on the truck. As you can see. See? So that's a complete fail on that. Um, so I won't be using that no more. Probably around the edges. Let me put the camera down. Yeah, see, like, so around the edges where I'm sanding, these, like all this, all the black part, all this right here. Let me put the one more. Yeah, all this. All this is gonna get, all this is gonna get painted, and I'm guessing I would be able to use. I'll be able to use this because you can't really tell. Um, it's not super white, but it has a little off tone on it. So, the fucking sun, man.
You tripping, bro. You tripping.
Bitch. So I'm gonna paint the edges like that, like I mentioned. The edges are gonna get painted on. So yeah, it's gonna get painted on. All this. I just have to sand it down. So until the next one. Okay, so I got to finish doing the prep on it. Let me see if I can clear it a little better. There you go. Okay, so it's all done, all prepped up. So I got it all coochie. So everything is done into it. Now I'm gonna paint it. So everything is all taped up, all Gucci to go. Yes, sir. I'm just gonna go for that truck over there. So now I'm gonna end up using this baby right here. So I'm using this now for the sides. So excuse me for a bit. My weed came. So sorry for cutting you guys off, but I was getting these. Medical use only. Now back with the door. So once again, I just end up finishing it the first coat out around the door. So after that, I'm just gonna wait until it dries to see if everything end up drying good, and doing the other side, the outside of it. And I actually have paint for it, so the OEM paint, my bad. Let's see, let me flip this over. So the said, pretty good finish. So overall, ended up working pretty good. Yes, sir. And that's for that baby over there. Oh, Chevy. So let me show you the can. I'll put it away. Let me get you the can. So this is the can I ended up getting. I used it all, but it works pretty good. So I hit you guys back up on the next process. I'm just gonna wait until this dries. Alright, you guys, so I end up flipping it. back I was supposed to have it at first, but I decided to do the edges, you know, knock something simple first out. So you can see the edges. Let me see. Oh, wait, there we go. The edges are fucking painted pretty good. So now I just have to do this. Yeah, I have to do some little sanding a little bit here and there. And there. So gonna work on this bitch. Have to get at least the clear to get dry by tonight. We'll get it ready for tonight to get so it can dry. We'll see what happens.
A veces tenemos que ser fuertes, porque ser fuertes es nuestra única opción. Por ustedes existo. Corridos progresivos. Aquí les presento una nueva propuesta. Aquí les tenemos un par de respuestas. Aquí les advierto que no somos juego para trabajar. Aquí les cruzamos fronteras de lleno. Aquí les afirmo que yo soy el dueño. Aquí les menciono las reglas de plaza y el plan de atacar. Aquí les caminan derecho las patas, luego tropiezan, suena la matraca. El poder que reina, el cartel de la Juana se ha de respetar. Aquí les demuestro, aquí les advierto.
So that's done. So now I'm gonna only have to do now is clear coat it. Once it gets clear coated, tomorrow is the day to put it on. To put it on the mamalona. Get it over there. Look at that. Yeah. Mamalona status.
Are you starting your own vlogging channel or what?
Yeah.
Hopefully no more.
Este tecato. Fuck the police.
Saving private ruling.
Yeah, it's saving private ule. That's what it is. Because I have to get down somehow. How you flip this shit? There you go. Bam. Ahí está. Fucking sand power right there. Yo tengo que limpiar mi pinche pistola hedionda. Lamentada Aguara. So this is how it turned out to be. The door turned out to be pretty good. See, still needs a little bit more time to cure, but so far everything looks pretty good. Even here. So everything turned out to be good. So all now I have to do, let me increase the brightness a little too much. There you go. A little more. There you go. All right. So you can see the clear coat is laid out. Too bright. Turn the bitch down. There you go. So you can see the clear coat, it's laid perfectly on it. I do have to polish it later. So now all we have to do now is take this off. Hold on. Fucking sun is fucking it up. There you go. So everything is done. So now all we have to do is swap this baby on the truck. Alright, you guys, so I have a little update on the door. I'm struggling a little bit. As you can see, let me adjust the brightness. Give me a second. As you can see, the door is on the truck now. It's not online yet, so I can't really close it. The problem that I'm having right now is with these panels. These panels are the ones that are going into the door for the door trim. I didn't know that I had a get out the way. This is the handle to open the door. The one that this door had it was shorter. I had to make new holes to make the other panel fit, because as you can see, the different sizes. Yeah, I thought I was gonna be able to take the truck out last night, but I couldn't. But that's the update for it. I'm currently doing some modifications, some trimmings, so hopefully that lines up pretty good. I did measure everything on the edges. As you can see, here's the original door. Yeah, so it looks a little different, and I had to make that cut there to take the little cable for the door handle to open. I didn't do that to this door because I just opened it to see if it was clipped or not, and it was. So I end up seeing how exactly it was for the clips, how they were set. So I end up taking this one off pretty easy. But so far that's what I got right now. Hopefully I will be done in an hour or so, and maybe take the truck to get tinted, which I will also record, do a little vlog about that. So stay tuned. For real, stay tuned. Alrighty, you guys, so here it is. I got it done. Let me turn it around for you guys. Adjust the brightness. Pow. Fucking sunny out here in Fresno. Alrighty. So I got the mamalona done now. There she is. She looks really, really nice. So I got it all done now. She's all set to go. So everything's done. So I kind of pushed the record button by accident, but everything's done into it. It took me a while to get it organized really good, because apparently the door that I got wasn't really matching the holes, but it's all done.
Buscando 500 caballos de fuerza, manejo un Camaro y soy de Culiacán. Me gusta el whisky, las viejas, las armas, carreras, la velocidad. Siempre me paseo por la raya, me gusta la fama.
So I'll be heading to In-N-Out So it's done. Took me a while. Me la rifé. Está bien pelada la verga. And these doors are really heavy, so pero aquí vine al In-N-Out a tragarme una hamburguesita o tal vez dos, porque soy un niño gordito. Pero sí, ya la puerta sí jaló bien. Everything's working good. Windows, mirrors, everything works good. I'm really happy. Just nomás andar batallando no me gustó. So, aquí lo vamos a seguir dándole recio. Ánimo, mi gente. Stay tuned for more videos. I am gonna upload more shit. Ahorita lo que tengo planeado es get the lowering kit. I'm still waiting for it to get shipped. Once I get that, I'm gonna go to a tire shop. I mean a wheel shop. I need to repair my wheels because it has a little bit of curb rash. So I'll get those done. Stay tuned for that. Peace.